This world cannot accuse me of sin. It's paid in full through Jesus, amen. And I'm a child of God. I'm the next of kin to the one whose glory fills me within. Still amazing what the Lord can do. How His touch of grace is going to take me through to a place of joy that'll have no end. Made possible for the born again, and it's paid in full through Jesus, amen. There was a woman